How's it going, everybody? It's Joseph Perrin here, Perrin Power Sports, and today we're going to be diagnosing the reason why your riding lawnmower won't turn over. Alright, so if the battery is hooked up on your lawnmower and it still won't turn over, the first thing you're going to want to check is the battery to see if it's charged. You can do that by using a battery tester, or you can just trickle charge your battery overnight, and that will work as well. So I'm just going to test this battery real quick. And let's see what it says. So there it says it's at 92%. So this battery is gonna be good for this lawnmower, so that's not our problem. The next thing you're gonna wanna check, if we come around to the other side, is your fuse. So if you take out your fuse and that little U shape in the middle has a crack in it, that means your fuse is bad, and that's most likely your problem. If that's good, like in my case, then just put it back in there. And the next thing we're gonna wanna test is a solenoid. All right, so once you locate your starter, the first step is gonna be to take a pair of pliers and connect the two wires together by just touching both sides of the solenoid together. And if it turns over, that means the solenoid is bad on your lawnmower. So it looks like the problem with this mower is going to be the solenoid. That's a pretty easy fix. In most cases, they're pretty cheap, about $15 to $25. So what you're just going to want to do is pull that off, bring it into your parts store, and they will get you the part and just reinstall it, and then your lawnmower will be fixed. All right, so if you've tested your battery, your fuse, and your solenoid, and your lawnmower is still not working, it's most likely going to be your battery cables. So hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.